Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Beezau Bee Venom Teeth Restoring Powder. Is this really worthy for you or not? You should purchase this product or not? It will really work for you or not? Okay, so in this video we will cover each and every information. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you only these kind of product is very common in today's time, and you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram and all. So the thing is, I want to show you, you can see this kind of product is very common, and you can also see the ratings on the amazon.com, very bad ratings. And this is a very common product, or you can say this is a drop shipping product. And you can say like the brand promoters, or you can say like the video creators, or you can say the advertisement provider, they have purchased this kind of product at very low cost, like $1 or $2, and they are selling this kind of product at very high cost. And once you purchase the product, when you use the product, there is no guarantee about this thing you will get the results or not, because this kind of product is not trustworthy at all. Okay, and you have to be, you can say, put this product in your mouth. And when you put this in your mouth, as you know, mouth is a very sensitive part of our body. So how you can trust this kind of product without doctor verification and all? How you can put any kind of, you can say, gel or any kind of powder in your mouth without any identification, without any FDA approved certificate and all? So you need to be very careful. You don't need to use any kind of product which is unauthorized product, and you should not consume any kind of product which is related to your health. Okay, so these are the conditions. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. You are a smart person, you can do anything whatever you want. So my conclusion is only this: you can save your hard-earned money. Don't invest any money in this kind of product. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will help for lots of people. Okay, bye bye, thank you.